Good day students. Today we have started chapter number 7, factorization. First of all, we need to know what are factors. When an algebraic expression can be written as the product of two or more expressions, then each of these expressions is called a factor of the given expression. So factors क्या होते हैं? कोई भी algebraic expression को अगर हम two expressions के product के जैसे लिख सकें, so जो दो एक्सप्रेशन होंगे वो those will be the factors of the given expression. Now coming to the factorization, the process of finding two or more expressions whose product is the given expression is called factorization. Factorization क्या होती है? जब भी किन्हीं दो factors का product given algebraic expression के equal हो, that process is called factorization. Now coming to the exercise 7a, we have to factorize the given algebraic expression. The first part of the first question is 12x plus 15. Okay, 12x plus 15. So first of all we will take the common factor. हम एक common factor लेंगे. So here for this expression we can take 3 as the common factor, because and after that we need 12x. हमें ऐसा नंबर चाहिए जिसे 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करने पे 12x आ जाए हमारे पास. सो 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 4x. यहाँ पे 3 है और यहाँ पे 3 4s are 12. We know that. Also we need 1x. So we will take 4x. Now we know 3 4s are 12 and with that we have x. Plus we need 15. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. So the factors of given expression are 3 into 4x plus 15. Now coming to the second part of this question, 14m minus 21. For this part we can take 7 as our common factor, and because if we multiply, हमें एक ऐसा नंबर लेना है जो इन दोनों नंबर्स के साथ जिस नंबर के साथ ये दोनों नंबर डिविजिबल हों. So 7 is a number with which both these numbers are divisible. So if we multiply 7 by 2m, we will get 14m. 7 multiplied by 2m gives us 14m minus. Now 7 3s are 21. So these are the factors of given expression. Coming to the second question, 16a square minus 24ab. Now we will take 8 as our common factor. 8 को हम common factor लेंगे. Also a is repeating itself in both the terms. यहाँ पे भी एक a है और यहाँ पे 2a square है और यहाँ पे a है. It means we can take a as the common factor because a तो इन दोनों ही terms में आ रहा है. Therefore 8a multiplied by, now we need 16a square. If we multiply 8a by 2a, we will get 16a square. 8 2s are 16. A multiplied by a gives us a square minus. Now 8 3. Now we know 8 3s are 24. Also we need ab. A हमारे पास 8 के साथ है and then we have b also. 8 3s are 24. A into b gives us 24ab. Coming to the second part of this question, 15ab square minus 20a square b. For this one, we can take 5 as our common factor. 5 because 15 and 20 both are divisible by 5. Therefore 5 एक तो हम common factor लेंगे. After that यहाँ पे भी a है हमारे पास और यहाँ पे भी a है. Also दोनों ही terms में b भी है one time, at least one time both the terms are having b also. So we can take 5ab as our common factor. Now we need any term by multiplying, with which by multiplying we can get 15ab square. So 5, we know 5 3s are 15 and we need ab square. It means a अकेला यही रहेगा and then we can take b because we need b square minus. We know 5 4s are 20. Here we need a square. So यहाँ पर हम एक a साथ में रखेंगे. So 5ab multiplied by 3b minus 4a are the factors of given expression. Coming to the third question. The third question, the first part of the third question is 24x cube minus 36x square y. Now 24 and 36 both are divisible by 12. Both are easily divisible by 12. 12 2s are 24 and 12 3s are 36. Also यहाँ पर एक्स स्क्वायर है, यहाँ पर एक्स क्यूब है. इट मीन्स हम एक्स स्क्वायर को कॉमन ले सकते हैं, कॉमन फैक्टर. Therefore we need a number with which by multiplying we will get 24x cube. So 12 2s are 24 and we know we have x square. X square as a common factor, it means we need one more x. So here we are taking x, 2x. 12 2s are 24, x square multiplied by x gives us x cube minus 12 3s are 36, x square हमारे पास ऑलरेडी कॉमन फैक्टर में है. एंड देन हेयर वी हैव y चाहिए एक हमें, दैट्स वाई वी आर टेकिंग y with 3. द फैक्टर ऑफ द गिवन एक्सप्रेशन इज 12x square multiplied by 2x minus 3y.